Hey everyone, welcome back to Codes of Ayaan channel. So in this video, we are going to learn about project structure, exactly like how exactly React Native by default framework gives the project structure, and I'm going to explain it in detail, like for which folder for what purpose and what file for what purpose. These things and all we are going to learn about. And apart from that, in this video, I'm going to tell you like what are the main extensions we need, to make our development more easier comparing to writing line by line. These are the things we are going to I'm going to explain about and tell you about. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, follow for more videos on React Native, and without wasting time, let's start the video. So right now, if you haven't watched my previous video, I have told you like how to set up the React Native in both Windows and MacBook, as well as this is the VS Code I have shown you also, and how to create this project I have told you, and how to run the app also, like project also I have already shown you. If you haven't watched, I'll provide the link in description. Please check out that. Okay. So okay, perfect. So initially this is the folder structure, right? We'll get. I haven't done anything yet. And if you're able to see right side, if you haven't able to see any of these extensions, I have installed these extensions, that's why I'm not able to see any of these kind of symbols and all. I'm going to explain it all, don't worry. So before jumping into extensions, let's go through the folder structure, for what purpose we need to use and all. So let's start with test. If you see, these are mainly by the folder name suggests itself like test. So why do we need this folder? Do we really going to do anything? Means yes, well, in development in companies and all, like we'll develop the module. Let's say I have created one login page. Okay, but before jumping, sending that app to tester, we need to do some unit testing. If you haven't heard about unit testing, so basically this is like some basic kind of testing as a developer we need to do. Then you will tell me like, and then do we need to install and do it manually? No. There is a two packages are available, but majority we use Jest. Okay, let me write it in notepad. If okay, let me remove this this name called Jest. Okay, this is the package we use. In fact, if you want, let me show that also, like npm Jest React Native Jest, yeah, testing library. See, Jest native. Okay, using this package, we'll write the test cases. Now if you don't know about test cases also, that's fine. Let me give a short about test cases. Nothing but test cases in the sense, let's say let's take the previous example only. Let's say we have created a login page. Okay, so if I tell you like email, I'll give you wrong email, and password I'll give you correct. What could be the test case? Like it should give me proper output or not. It should tell me that okay, email is wrong. In second test case, nothing but these are the test cases, like your scenarios you create to test the application. So this is how in this folder, nothing but we use that package. In this folder we write the test cases and we run it. Okay, it will test that, it will test it, and it will give the output as Ayaan. Here this scenario, your app getting failed, please correct it like this way. Okay, don't worry, once we go through the React Native completed, we'll go through and we'll complete we'll go through the test cases and all also, don't worry. So bundle, you can ignore this. There is no, we are not going to do anything with this bundle. Okay, and VS Code, this is by default, it will give this VS Code, no need to do anything. Yarn basically. So if you see, we have installed the npm, right, node package manager, nothing but node.js to run in your device and all. And if you want to use any javascript packages, dependencies, can we say, we can say that to install that. Okay, let me create one file so that sample. Okay, basically I just clicked on this plus symbol, this okay, let me tell you these also. If you see, there is a first option plus symbol, so that we, while clicking on that, we can create a file. If we click on this, we can create a folder. Okay, this is to refresh, and this is to copy anything, collapse folder, something like that. We can do like this also. Right now I just created one file here just to write it here, that's it. So basically okay, let's go jump into this only. So let's say if I want to use this package, this library in my device, in my project, I can use it, install it using npm I, and or else I can use it yarn also. Okay, both are the main purpose, both serves to install the packages only in our project. Okay, let me write it. Yarn, you can use yarn I, that package name, or else you can go with npm I, that package name, whatever library you want to, package you want to use. Okay, these are the two things you can do with that. Okay, then here comes the Android thing basically. So let's say if I want to specifically in my Android device, in Android, we all know that React Native is a cross-platform app, right? Perfect, we all know this. Then let's say if I want to do natively, like React Native itself can't handle everything natively. Okay, let's say if I want to do natively, let's say if I want to okay, let me give you one scenario. Okay, till the screen loads, I want to disable that particular user to stop there. He can't even go back, he can't even close the app. So I want to stop there that user. How can we do that? We can do that using native handlers also, like using this Android folder. Okay, if you know Android development, yeah, obviously this is the folder structure you will get. What are the files you can able to see? These are the files you will get in native Android development. Okay, if you from there you can easily understand what are these for. If you don't know also, that's fine. We are not going to jump into all these things. Only we'll do whenever some packages need to add lines in build.gradle. These are the things, don't worry, I'll explain in when we go through the and when we implement the packages, you can easily understand it. Okay, as of now you can understand that what are the if I want to handle anything related to Android mobile side, I'll go into this folder Android. Okay, make sure perfect. Same goes with this also, iOS. If I want to do anything natively specifically for iOS device, I'll go to this thing. Okay, iOS folder. Then what about node modules? See, if I open it, you can able to see this many folders are there. Don't get scared, we are not going to do anything with this, nothing. These are the packages, node modules, nothing but as I said, right, this is one package, right? These packages are going into this folder only. Okay, there is nothing to do with this. Okay, but make sure without node modules folder you cannot run your project. Okay, keep in mind. Then let's say if I want to delete this, see, I have deleted this folder node modules. Okay, it's taking some time. In the meantime, let's go through this. Once it's deleted, see, it's get deleted. Now if I try to run this project, you can able to see this npm run android. This is the straight away command to run Android emulator. If I run this, it will directly give me error. React Native is not recognized as internal external command operators. See, some error it gave me, right? So you can able to see this is it's giving me error. Then how can I reinstall that? Let's say if you accidentally deleted that folder, how can we do it? Do we need to delete this whole project and again we need to create? No, not needed. Simply all you need to run is like, if you are comfortable with the npm, you can do npm I, or else if you want to try yarn install, like this you can go with this. Okay, simply click on npm I, hit enter. npm means node packager manager, I means install. That's it, as simple as that. Okay, it will take some time to run. See, it automatically generated and whatever the folders it has, see it downloading the libraries, packages, nothing but. In short, if I want to tell .eslint, you can ignore it. In the meantime, let it download the packages. Git ignore, this is specifically for git command, and prettier, this is a extension. Initially you won't get, once you install that package you will get this thing. We can't do anything, like nothing but, there is no need to do anything with this, so you can ignore this. Watchman, like whatever the changes you do, by default this will watch it and it will reload it. .yarn, this is related to yarn, no need to do anything. App.json is also no need to do anything with this. But if you see app.tsx, okay, this is the important file where we do the initial point. Okay, I'm going to explain about this thing specifically. Keep put it in mind. Let me do one thing. Let me run the emulator first, so that this is the important file, app.tsx. Why I told important, I'm going to explain it right now. Okay, let me run it npm, or else let me do one thing, npm start. what exactly I'm doing, I'm just trying to run emulator, nothing but. Once it runs successfully, then I'm going to show you what are the things, how exactly is doing with this app.txt, how it is important. Okay, initially it's taking some time to run the emulator. Let me open Android device. Yeah, emulator, nothing but. In the meantime, babel.config.js, as of now, just put it in mind. Okay, let me minimize it. App.tsx, this is what we are going to discuss about. In the meantime, let's jump into babel.config.js. Basically, this we edit the file if particularly few packages need to add some lines of code that we don't write anything here. Okay, put it in mind that there are a lot of files. I'm scared, not like that. Only we'll edit this one only, app.tsx. That's it. Apart from that, if there is any packages needs to add any lines, we'll simply copy from that package and paste it here. Nothing else we do. Okay, don't worry. And gem file, this nothing to do with this. This related to iOS. Index.js, this is the important one. Basically, if you see app, this is the app. This is the entry point initially. Okay, nothing but this is here. If I put any file here, whatever the file you place here, that's the file it will run. See, app.tsx basically. And if you see right now, you're able to see much code here, lot of code. Don't worry, I'm going to remove all this code once it start running. Okay, so app.tsx we need to discuss, index.js also we need to discuss. Just as I told, this is the related to test cases thing. Metro config, this is again related to running the code. Okay, we can ignore it. Packet.json, there is nothing to add or anything to do here. I'll tell you later. If you see right now, we have two package.jsons here, packet.log.json, packet.json. Never touch this package, like don't try to delete this packet.json. Okay, I repeat, package.json. Let me open it also. So whatever the packages you install, you can able to see it here straight away here. Okay, what are the packages available here, you can able to see in the node modules. Okay, this is the straight away catch. Okay, if you see right now, successfully my emulator started working. And let me show this. This is something. Okay, before jumping into packet.json, let's straight away go into app.tsx. If you see, read the docs to discover what to do next. Lot of code is there and you are not able to understand what exactly this is. Let me remove everything here. Straight away I have removed everything. It's getting reloaded and you can able to see empty because I have removed everything. See, it's telling me like, hey, you don't have nothing to show here, like app.tsx is completely empty because this is the app.tsx. It's not able to find anything because it doesn't have any dot app. It doesn't have any import statement, export statement. Okay, let me create one function here, rnfe. As I said, this is a extension I'm using straight away. Okay, see what I did, rnfes, nothing but r means react. Let me write it here. In fact, this means comment, we all know this. Fes, this is extension I'm using. I'm going to tell you also how to create in short instead of writing this whole bunch of code. R means React Native, shortcut, nothing but functional, React Native function, export style sheet. Now what does exactly this means? React Native function. This is the React Native function. Perfect. With imports also, import statements, because we need to use text, view, what is. Now you can ask me like, what is style sheet, what is text, what is view. You can able to see there is some text showing it as app. Can I put my name here? Yeah, I can. See, right now you can able to see Ayaan here. See, if I zoom in also, you can able to see whatever the text I can write here in between tags. Now you can ask me, Ayaan, is it looking like HTML? Yeah, it is kind of HTML only, but it's not similar like exact HTML. What do we call them? We can call it JSX. Okay, nothing but JavaScript XML. Okay, nothing but. This is not HTML. Just don't get confused. This is not HTML. It's syntax is looks like HTML, but it's not. Okay. Perfect. So okay, as of now, don't get confused. I don't want to confuse also by telling all these things. As of now, assume that these are some import statements, and if you see, this is one kind of function, right? Do we previously we have created few functions. Const sum is equal to 1 plus with parameters and all. If I place some parameters here, is it looking like function or not? It is, right? Perfect. With parameters, and it's returning something. There we have returned, we did something, right? Some addition, multiplication, everything, right? Multiplication, division and all. Here it returning some UI. Can we call it this is looking like function only, but can we call it component? Let me straight away open Excalibur. Basically it's a drawing sheet to show the difference, what exactly I mean. Okay, let me straight away paste it here, and let me create one function. Why exactly doing all these things? I can put it in short by telling that this is function, this is component. But no, just to get a better idea, like so that you can't get confused, difference between function and component. Okay, the errors right now, okay, let me do one thing. The errors you are able to see is like this is TypeScript, okay. We need to by default we need to show it. Let me rename it first so that it won't give me any error. See, JSX, right now it's not giving any error because these are TypeScript. We need to define what type of it is, like that, okay. Let me copy this also. Let me in fact cut it, and to separate it, let me draw a line and paste it here. Now you tell me, is there any difference? In fact, let me write it here, a comma b. In fact, okay, just for show you guys. Okay, do you able to see this is same, just name changes. Okay, for easy way, can I put instead of some, can I put app only? Yeah, I can. App, okay, perfect. Syntax same, it's returning, okay. See, as usual it's returning same. Here also we are returning something, but here what we are returning? We are returning something like let's say some can we say some function, how can I tell you in a easy way? Let's say we are returning some work here. Can I say like based on the requirement, I told you to add something, you said okay, I have passed 2 parameters, you have added, and you are returning that answer to me. Answer. But if you see here, what I'm returning here, there is a, okay, let me, okay, I am returning something here. What exactly I'm returning? I am returning UI. Can I say UI means user interface? Okay, straight away you got the answer, right? This is what it is returning some answer to me, and this returning some user interface to me. Now you can ask me like, hey, like both are looking same only, but the only thing is return is different. Then what do we call it is? Can I say component? This is component. Function. Simple, that's it. Now if I tell you in a short way, like what is component? Component is a piece of code, same like function, but it returns the user interface. That's it. Component means is a piece of code only, same like a function, like function, nothing but function is a piece of code where we reuse the code, right? Logic to do some task. Same way component also. Component is a piece of code where it returns the UI, that's it, and we can reuse it using parameters, as simple as that. You can consider like a function, your component is like on top of like big brother, you can consider like that. Okay, it uses the syntax of same function only, but what it returns me the UI, nothing but user interface. You can able to see Ayaan here. If I copy it, paste it again, you can able to see multiple times of Ayaan whatever I did here within that too fast. That is called reloading. And I can say codes here, I can type anything. See, I can type anything, you can able to see instantly the changes here, nothing but it's returning me the UI, user interface. What does user interface? Right now you can able to see the user interface, some interface you can able to see, right? This is what user interface means. Okay, perfect. Right now you know about difference between component and function, right? If anyone asks me like difference between function and component, you can simply answer it in an easy way. Function returns some task, whereas component returns UI. That's it. Perfect. Now you can ask me like what is view, what is text, these things and all, and can I copy paste it again this like this? It will throw me straight away, throw me an error. Why it's throwing an error? Will instead of directly jumping into each thing, what is view, what is text, what is style sheet, we'll start slowly. Okay, I'm going to explain in the next video. I'm going to explain about this view specifically. Okay, as of now you got an idea, right? So basically you can able to see export here, export statement. That means I can use this file in this whole project anywhere. Without this export, it will straight away throw me an error. Okay, perfect. Export means just keep in mind that we can export it, nothing but we can use this file, specific file, anywhere in this project. I can use it outside, I can use inside this iOS, Android, like this. I can use it anywhere inside this file. Okay, just because I kept it as export. Without export, we can't use this outside of this file app. Specifically, whatever the UI inside this code, UI, I cannot use this without of export. If I go to okay, as of now you got an idea about app.jsx, right? Index. Now straight away go to, so assume that this is a let's say we have a home and this is a gate. Okay, without this index.js we can't go into house. Now you can understand that this is the entry point of your app, entry point. So what are the file name you give? If I open this file, straight away it will open me this only. That means initially it's telling me this is your room, like this is the gate. With this gate you can create as many files and you can do whatever you want to do. Now you can understood, right? Perfect. Now let's continue with just.config. There is nothing to do with this index.js also. No need to touch. All we need to do is like from app.js only we need to do what are the things we need to do. Okay, babel.config, as I said, there's nothing to add anything here, but there are few packages if we want to use, then we need to add some code here. That too no need to write and all. By default this packages provide what to add there. You can simply copy paste there. Gem file, no need to do nothing. Index I have explained, just as I said, it's a testing purpose. Metro, as I said, it's like run the code and all. Packet thing, packet.json, as I said, it's by default created by React Native. What are the things you have created for packet.json? This is the important file. There is nothing to do here. Only thing is like as I said, right, packet.json, this is where you can able to just scripts like npm React Native run, what are the commands you are running, you can able to see here, right? React Native run start, these are the things, actual things. There is no need to add anything here, nothing to do also here. Only thing is like what are the packages we installed. By default React Native gives React and React Native, only these two packages, and nothing but these two dependencies it will give. And whatever we install, let's say let me install this package once so that you can able to see what exactly I mean. Let me open one more terminal here. Let me drag it up, simply paste it here and hit enter. You can able to see the package which I'm installing right now, testing library just, it will automatically add here. See, I have done nothing. Okay, I haven't done anything here. See, you can able to see the package I have installed here, it's directly added here. Okay, if you want to update the what do we call package also, you can simply put, let's say there is a new version available, this specific package new version available there, no need to simply copy paste that, simply change here the number and hit npm I, that's it, it's straight away and install that. So this is the easy way to do, that's it. And this is the readme file, how to do things and all, you can go through this once you get the free time. And sample I have created right now, and test.config, this is for TypeScript, and yarn lock, as I said, this is also npm package manager, same like npm, this is the yarn, there's nothing to do here with this. So all we need to touch is like mostly app.tsx, this is the only thing. Let me delete this sample file also, there's nothing to do with, see, app.tsx. Initially React Native gives in TypeScript, but as of now we learn JavaScript, right? You can simply change it to JavaScript by .js also, or else app.js also, that's fine, nothing will change. Okay, and you can able to see view, this is the thing. Okay, let's jump into extensions. Okay, the important extensions. See, if I want to create this again, I need to type import statements, I need to write const app equal to lot of time I need to waste. But what if I do straight away rnfes, hit enter, see, it will automatically create me this. How it will take the app name, the file, whatever the file you create. If let's say if I want to create sample.js, and if I want to create a same function component, nothing but rnfes, if I hit enter, whatever the file name you keep, it will simply take like that only, as simple as that. That's it. Now let's go to extensions. If you see, there is a square box is there, right? Click on that. Okay, let me show you what are the extensions I'm using and you need basically. So these all are Flutter. I do Flutter things also. For that reason, you can go you can install this JavaScript and TypeScript nightly. Okay, this one, and tab 9 basically, you can install this one. It is a free resource. Okay, it won't ask any money and all you need to do is like you can simply sign in and it's make our work easily. But as of now you are learning, right? So don't install it, just put it in. If you want to install, you can install it, but disable it because you are learning, right? So try to do through your hands only whatever I'll tell to do. Okay, what exactly, once you go through, once you got to know how things goes, at that time you can simply enable it, and it will help you to make your work faster. Thunder client, nothing but a postman to test the APIs and all. We can test from here also, same like an postman. If you don't know about APIs, that's fine, I'm going to explain in this playlist. Auto import, yeah. So let's say if you want to install, we have installed the packages, as of now if you see import one, something is here. As of now just ignore this import thing and style sheet test view and all. Instead of writing import that particular package name from that particular thing, you can simply type that specific name, it will automatically show you the suggestions. For that purpose, install this package. Okay, auto extension, sorry, auto import. Auto rename tag, this is also important thing, just install this one and make sure it should be enabled. From here, whatever the extensions I'll tell, don't disable that, put it in enable only. Okay, these are useful. And better comments, this will be helpful for us to comment it and add taglines. So this also install it. Bracket page, this is the most important thing. So it will, let's see, this bracket closing bracket is this one, this bracket closing bracket is this one, so it will highlight with colors so that you can easily understand that okay, this bracket ends here, starts here, like this way. For that purpose, bracket pair color, install it. Code runner, I hope you already know about this and you have already installed that also, that's fine. color highlighter. So in app we add colors, right, so that we can able to see with color code. By default React Native VS Code won't show you which color it is, but if you use this package it will highlight you with the exact color of, you can able to see the image also here. It will highlight you with what color it is. It will be helpful for you, for us to while building the UI. Error lens, this is also helpful for us to it will tell the exact error. Okay, install it. So yeah, this is the one we are right now, you are able to see, right, RNFES. By using this command, this package extension only, we can able to see the snippets like RNFES, import statement, IMPC, prefix, IM and import module. You can able to see the shortcuts also, export default function, like this. You can install this also, anything is fine. And these are Flutter, because I'll go through the I'll work on Flutter also. For that purpose, I have a Flutter extensions also, that's fine, you can ignore that. Import cost, this is also helpful for importing the packages and all. Install it. So yeah, this is also important, JavaScript code snippets. Let's say if I want to use any time some to create some function, like if you see, I have created one function, right, const app equals to a plus b, return a plus b. To create instead of writing that, you can directly use this JavaScript snippets. See, important, there are a lot of shortcuts are there, you can go through this. Okay, for each loop, see, this is a shortcut of, if I want to create a for each write a code for each loop, create a for each loop, I can simply type FRE, it will straight away give me for each loop. FOF, for in loop, as of these are a lot of shortcuts are there, promises, then catch. Okay, for that purpose. And live server, if you're working with web development, you can need to install this also. Material icon theme, this is also helpful for us. Why exactly means, right now you can able to see some icons here, right? These icons were able to see because of this package. Okay, just using this package only you can able to see these icons. Okay, it will give us to know that, okay, this is app.javascript file, this is YAML file, this is 100 file. Okay, it is easy to identify that. For that purpose, install it. This also, I guess, both of the same thing only, you can try with this also, material icons. npm intelligence, prettier, this is important thing, install it. What exactly this will do, this will format our code. Once you install it, simply click on this mouse and format document with, simply select prettier. Okay, so what it will do, let me give some extra spacing here, and if I simply format document, see, it straight away formatted my code. This this will be helpful for us to identify the formatting the code, for that purpose. And React Native tools for debugging, as of now we are not going with debugging, right? But if you want, you can install this also, that's fine. Simple React, Tailwind CSS, this is the one more thing, library basically, we'll go through that later. This is the VS Code, right now the UI you are able to see, right, set color theme. See, you can able to change the color theme also. See, right now it just went to some other colors, like this. See, if you able to see the code also, code color also changed, right, like this. This is the one, let me disable it. And VS Code runner, this is for yeah, same to run the code only. And material theme icons, so yeah, these are the extensions I am using. I hope I have explained each extension, and what are the extensions I told you to enable and disable, just do that. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to explain about let me open React Native official document. We'll go through the let me not this Okay, I guess they have somewhere mentioned through like there is a core components are there, nothing but these are like built-in components from React Native, like a text view, screen, scroll view, text input button. Okay, don't worry. I guess I'm in the next video you can able to see what is scroll view, what is view and all. Okay, in the next video I'm going to explain about view and text, basically these two things. Okay, and if you see, initially I did this, created this purposely to show you there is some error. Straight away it gave me JSX expression must have one parent element. What does this error also means, I'm going to explain it in next video. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.